This is weird because it's not mirrored, it's like flipped. So this is not, you would think that this is my right hand, but it's not. It's my left, and it's bothers. Anyway, so hey guys, this is me pulling up with like a very impromptu, sporadic kind of a video. Basically, I have been away trying to get my real life back on track. So I have been basically trying to get into like the cosmetics field, and it's going pretty slow for me. This may come as a shock to many, but it's going pretty slow for me. And the reason why is every place is booked, or no one's calling, or I don't know, whatever. So it's going slow for me. And I had an experience recently where I was in a interview with a brand. I won't specify the brand or the company or the location or anything like that, but long story short, I was in an interview and I had on makeup, and it wasn't like excessive makeup. It was like a regular full face that I used to always wear. I'll probably insert a picture here. If not, then I'll. Matter of fact, let me just show y'all how my makeup was that day. My makeup was very similar to this. I don't know if y'all can see that. Shut up. Let me lower my brightness. Maybe that will help. My phone is a filth. I was supposed to clean it after I finished my makeup. But my makeup was really similar to that. As you can see, I don't have on any eyeshadow. No eyeshadow, no lipstick, no nothing. Just a regular base model full face. And she had said to me, hi, I noticed that you're wearing makeup. And I'm like, yeah. And she's like, oh, okay, well, here at, insert brand name here. Um, we like to keep up with the brands and things like that, but regardless of what trends and brands, regardless of what trends are going on, I need a brush, yo. Regardless of what trends are going on, we like to keep like a good image. And this bothered me for a multitude of reasons. For one, and yes, I've been talking about this for weeks to piss me off. For one, it's not that she said we like to keep a certain image or we like our men to look a certain way. She said the words good. We like to keep a good image, which implies that a man in a full face of makeup, eyeshadow, lipstick, whatever, is a bad image for your brand. So, in my mind, for me, at least, I would think that it's obvious, like, that's something that is mentioned at orientation. I don't know why you have to. Mind you, on top of that, I didn't even get the job. The interview went well. We had a great conversation, aside from that. And I thought I had that shit in the bag, but apparently I did not get the job. Um, I don't know. And it's things like that is really frustrating because it's like, for me, that was simple. Like, I'm working at a cosmetics shop. I would never pull up to no interview with the full face on. But because it was a cosmetics job, I did like a base model, soft, light beat. Everybody knows that when I beat my face or when I beat other people's faces, it's very soft and natural glam. Like, not even, I'm not even gonna put glam on that. It's very natural. So, it really bothered me that she said that. So now, when I'm like looking for interviews and stuff for other places, it's kind of like I don't know whether to pull up looking like this to showcase what I can do, or pull up base model beat or no makeup, or I don't know. I feel like for females, it's really, really simple. You just pull up super beat, and I feel like you can be super beat and still be professional as a woman. But unfortunately, because of how society is set up, it's not that simple for a man to do that. And it's like, I just want to get my foot in the door in somebody's cosmetic store just because, mind you, I don't want to do retail at all. But I want to get my foot in the door in someone's store because I want to be able to have like experience on paper so that way I can kind of get into my field and just do what I want to do. But it's like I can't because there's so much like, and I do feel like to a certain degree that is a certain level of homophobia because Avi, are you mad because my beat is better than yours? Like, what's good? Like, for some reason, I feel like there's a lot of people who feel like makeup, a lot of people and a lot of women who feel like makeup belongs to women. And, like, just because I'm good at it or I shouldn't be wearing makeup. Like, that's just how people feel. Like, they feel like this is their territory, this is their thing or whatever. So when I venture into this industry, people feel like I'm taking something from them, which I don't feel like I don't feel like people who have that mindset should be working in the field at all, to be honest. But I need a brush, like, so bad. Oh, I should have brushed before I got on here. But anyway, I just wanted to come in here and say that. And I don't know, I'm just trying to get into this field and thrive. Um, I don't know. I'm doing my little freelancing thing, but I don't know. Things like that is really discouraging, and I want people to know and understand that things like this will happen. I don't know if it's because of my area. If you don't know, I'm in Southern Florida. Um, I don't know, but it's bothersome, and it's pretty unsettling, and I just had to get that off my chest. And I just did my makeup, and I'm about to edit and post some pictures on Instagram of this look. So be sure to follow me on there and all my other social media platforms. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to deal with these types of things just to make it easier for the next little boy who grows up liking girl things and into makeup and yeah. But it's whatever. It is what it is. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see y'all soon. It will be just want I want my eye makeup to be like second nature, which is becoming second nature. So I'm kind of glad I had some downtime to really practice my eye makeup and perfect that craft in that area. This is probably the most simplest eye look I've done since I've like really started. But I really like this. I've been wanting to do this eye look for quite some time. Anyway, that's besides the point. I love you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.